it's Jen, and today's Beauty Bite is all about the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Cream Blushes. Every time I post about these on my Instagram page, I get so many questions asking how I apply them, whether it's with fingers or a brush or a sponge. So I'm going to show you how I apply these today, as well as show you some swatches of my favorite shades. So first of all, these are a really soft, moussey texture. They're a cream to powder finish, so the way that I like to apply them is definitely with my fingers. I think it's just the best way overall. So I just dip my fingers into the little pot here and then just go ahead and start applying them to my cheeks, working really quickly and blending back towards my temple because they do dry down really quickly. And once they dry, they're set for the day, so you definitely don't want to have like a big clump of just blush hanging out in one spot. So the trick is to definitely blend these out. I just use really quick short strokes like this and it works great. So this is the shade Prenup, and it's one of my favorite colors because it's just the perfect mid-tone pink. It has a little bit of mauve in it. It's just gorgeous, and what I really love about these is that they dry down so quickly that you can apply powder blushes on top of them and help extend the wear of your powder blush. So they're really versatile in that way because you can wear them on their own just for a quick flush of color or under a powder blush to help give it more staying power. So here are a few of my favorite shades swatched. The first one is Aphrodisiac. This is a really soft beige nude. The next one is Prenup, which is the one I just wore, and that one is described as a mid-tone pale pink. And then Holiday is a bright mid-tone peachy pink. This one is great in the summertime. I love that one. And this one is probably my all-time favorite. It's Between the Sheets, and this is just the most perfect beige nude pink. So overall, the Colourpop Super Shock Cheeks are my favorite cream blush because of their versatility and the fact that they have beautiful shades that dry down quickly and can be layered underneath powder blush. They don't have that greasy texture that some other cream blushes have. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beauty bite. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what beauty bites you'd like to see going forward. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!